There's so many things that we do that it doesn't make sense to me if we want the kids to benefit from it. We do things, if we want the kids to benefit from it, then there's different things that we can do. How about this one? I loved watching this one as I'm setting up my classes and teachers are with their kids. Are you making good choices today? Are we making good choices today? And the kids are looking up at the teacher confused, like, what are you talking about? I made 17 choices in the last 20 minutes. Can you be a little more specific? Anybody ever say that? So notice, what's happening is we have been programmed to speak in win-lose. You say you get what you get and you don't get upset, there's no benefit to the child. You win. And I'll tell you what you win in a moment. How about this one? No thank you. No thank you, Joe. No thank you. Anybody ever do that? No thank you. And the kid's looking at you like, no thank you what? Like what's all the kids are, no thank you. Like what am I doing? You're not helping. Like imagine you're driving and all of a sudden you get pulled over. And the cop knocks on your window, whatever, down. I said roll it down, old school car, okay? And they go, license and registration, no thank you. And then they just go. And you're sitting there like, what are you talking, what's happening? What did I do? And then they come back with 3 tickets. Here you go, license, registration, 3 tickets, no thank you. And then they go. Did you learn anything? No. So why do we say that to kids? It's because we're stuck. Because this is a chemical computer. And it's addicted to a chemical that our body releases. Anybody ever hear of dopamine? Yeah. So every single time you say you get what you get and you don't get upset, are you making good choices? No thank you. What did I tell you? What do we talk about? It doesn't benefit the kid. It benefits you. Why? Because you are right.